raining so badly. Oh, just did you crap all over the ground? No, it's hailing. This is how the hail looks like from the top level of my house. I'm just gonna open the door very quick. You see that? Look at all the hail. It isn't that bad anymore, but it was. Ouch. There's so much hail on the ground over there. There's so much hail over there. Just look under the swing. Oh shit. And it's only like what, September like 13th in Ottawa? Oh, look at all the other houses. They're like frosted. And it's only September 13th. This is so dumb. Okay, no, I'm closing it. Oh.